Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to set custom CSS IDs for individual Divi Accordion items. This is a great way to gain precise control over styling, targeting, and linking within your page. Whether you want to apply unique designs or create anchor links to specific accordion sections, this technique enhances both the appearance and functionality of your site. Let's get started. To assign unique CSS IDs to individual Divi Accordion items, you can use the Divi Booster plugin. This powerful tool makes it easy to target specific accordion items for advanced styling or anchor linking, which isn't possible with a standard Divi installation. The plugin streamlines this process, giving you more control over your site's design and functionality. For more details about the plugin itself, you can find the link in the accompanying post. Let's move on to the next steps. To start assigning a custom CSS ID to an accordion item, first locate the accordion module in your page using the Divi Builder. Open its settings, and then click on the specific accordion item you want to customize. This will expand that item's detailed settings. Next, look at the tabs at the top and select the Advanced tab. Within this section, scroll down to find and expand the CSS ID and Classes section. This is where you'll be able to input a custom CSS ID for the individual accordion item. Now that you've located the CSS ID and Classes section within the advanced settings of your accordion item, you'll see a field labeled CSS ID. Go ahead and type in your desired unique identifier here. For example, you could use something like Custom Accordion ID. This custom ID allows you to target this specific accordion item in your CSS or use it when setting up anchor links within your content. It's a simple but powerful way to increase your control over the design and functionality of your page. Once you've entered your custom CSS ID, the next step is to save your changes. Click the Publish button in the Divi Builder to make your new CSS ID live on your site. After publishing, visit your page on the front end to check your accordion item. Ensure it appears as intended and is ready for any advanced customization or linking you have planned. And that's it. With just a few simple steps in the Divi Builder, you now have the power to add unique CSS IDs to individual accordion items. This opens up new possibilities for flexible styling and creating anchor links, giving you more control over your Divi site. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.